Good morning, students. Welcome to class 9. I am Rashika Zaveri and I am going to take your geography this year. Geography, the first chapter is India, size and location. As we all know, India is a vast country. It has a large population, but it has an equally large, resourceful landmass. It is one of the ancient civilizations in the world. It has achieved multifaceted socio-economic progress during the last 5 decades. Why the last 5 decades? Because it improved drastically. We have soared high after independence. It has moved forward, displaying remarkable progress in the fields of agriculture, industry, technology, and overall economic development. India has also contributed significantly to the world. It has made its position fairly strong. Topics that we will cover in this chapter are India's location, its size, India and the world, and India's neighbors. What is the location? India lies in the northern hemisphere, that is in the north of the equator, 8.8 degrees 4 minutes north and 37 degrees 6 minutes north. Longitudes 68 degrees 7 minutes east and 97 degrees 25 minutes east. It is divided by the Tropic of Cancer, that is 23 degrees 30 minutes north of the equator, into almost 2 equal parts. In the southeast, Andaman and Nicobar Islands lie in the Bay of Bengal. In the southwest, Lakshadweep Islands lie in the Arabian Sea. Both these set of islands are a part of the Indian subcontinent. India in the world. Can you see? India. It is quite a large country and very obvious on the world map. Total area of India is 3.28 million square kilometers, which is 2.4% of the world. Can you imagine how large it is? It is the 7th largest country in the world in terms of landmass. It has a land boundary of 15,200 kilometers and total length of the coastland of the mainland, including the islands, Andaman and Nicobar and Lakshadweep Islands, is 7,516.6 kilometers. Children, these figures have to be remembered. They are important figures. In the northwest, north and northeast of India, young fold mountains bound it. Which are the mountains that bound India in the north? The Himalayas. Yes. South of about 22 degrees north latitude, India narrows and finally extends towards the Indian Ocean. It also divides it into 2 seas, the Arabian Sea on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. If you can see the India map, yes, in the north here we have the Himalayas. This is India tapering into the sea, the Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean and the Bay of Bengal. This is the Tropic of Cancer that divides India into nearly 2 equal parts. This is the North-South Divide. This is the East-West Divide. We shall talk about it soon. Latitudinal and longitudinal extent of India. What are latitudes? Latitudes are the imaginary horizontal lines that we have given to divide the globe, so that it becomes easier to place or to pinpoint a country and to study about it. Longitudes are the imaginary vertical lines around the globe to help us study. The latitudes give us climate, the longitudes give us time. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of mainland, that is without the islands, is about 30 degrees. India's east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. It is nearly the same, but it appears smaller because it is narrow at the peninsula. What is a peninsula? A land mass that is surrounded on three sides by water. If you see, northern India is covered or surrounded by land mass. The V, or the base of the peninsula, is surrounded by water. The Arabian Sea, the Indian Ocean, and the Bay of Bengal. The time along the standard meridian, 82.3 degrees east, passing through Mirzapur in UP, is taken as the Indian Standard Time for the whole country. Now, why do you think this would happen? The time gap between Arunachal Pradesh in the east and Gujarat present in the west is about 2 hours. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. The earth rotates, it revolves, creating this difference in time. Can we have a different time in Calcutta and a different time in Surat? We cannot, right? We want to leave here and talk to our cousin in, say, Calcutta. So we need a standard meridian. 82 degrees 30 minutes east is the standard meridian for India. It passes through Allahabad, Mirzapur near Allahabad. Mirzapur, this is what Mirzapur looks like as the standard time. India and the world. Now, what is India's relationship to the world? India is located in the center of the world, between West and East Asia. The routes across the Indian Ocean, which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries in East Asia, provide strategic central location to India. What is strategic central location? It is an important location. Why is that? Because in the olden days, they used to travel by ships. They did not have planes. So they used to come, people from Central Asia, from Western Europe, used to come to India, trade with India, carry goods, take rest, go to the other parts of Eastern Asia. Again, they would trade there, bring back from Asia, they would bring goods to India, going on to Europe. So India was a central point, an important point. India was a rich country. They wanted to trade with India. They wanted Indian goods. They wanted to spread their goods over in India. They wanted to take Indian knowledge. India was a rich country in resources, knowledge, goods. The ocean, which is south of India, is given the name Indian Ocean, as no other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has. India divides the sea into two parts. Thus, the ocean is called Indian Ocean. We stop here for now. Hope you have understood it. Please read pages 1, 2, 3 and 4 of your geography textbook. We shall discuss it tomorrow. Have a good day.